Form 3, First Midterm, Buddhism. Page number 22. Chapter 4, Facing Challenges. In here you can learn the challenges that Lord Buddha faced. Uttitte nappa majjaya dhammang sucharitam chare. Dhammachari sukham seti asming loke paranghicha. Be alert and do not be heedless. Live a virtuous life. One who leads a virtuous life lives happily in this world and in the other. We all face challenges during our lifetime. Challenges may challenge one's development and happiness also. But if a person faces it positively, that person could overcome it easily. The result would make the person happy. This would pave a positive path to his development. The Buddha faced many challenges throughout his life. Let's see some examples. One day, people in the Kapilavatthu flocked to see Lord Buddha. But Sakya clan got the younger ones to respect him. The Lord Buddha realized that Sakyan were too proud to organize him as one who has attained Buddhahood. It was a challenge to the Buddha. Then Buddha showed them miracle called the twin wonder. Then all the Sakyans paid the Buddha their respect. Let's see what is the second one. When the Buddha visited Kapilavatthu, Yasodhara Devi refused to see the Buddha. She made a strong resolution that if I possess some goodness in me, and if I have been faithful to him even after he left me, to attain Buddhahood, if all these are true, the Buddha would come to see me. The Buddha saw that Yasodhara was not present at the almsgiving. Later walked to her room to meet Yasodhara Devi. She cried and fell at his feet and worshipped him. Then it was King Suddhodana who explained to the Buddha about the virtuous life she spent in the palace. The Buddha explained, not only in this birth, O king, but in previous births too she protected me and was devoted and faithful to me. The Buddha told the story Channa Kinnara. Third one is Sunitha was a low caste boy. A conservancy laborer who cleaned the drains and toilets in the city. He carried all dirt in buckets, keeping it on his shoulders. One day, the Buddha was going for his alms round from house to house. Sunitha saw the Buddha coming forwards towards him. Sunitha knew that it was not proper to go forward as the Buddha was coming towards him. He almost hid himself by almost covering himself to the wall, hiding his face and body. The Buddha went up to him, spoke kindly to him, and asked whether he would like to be ordained as a monk. The Buddha ordained him, not caring for his social class or caste, thus paved for any person of any caste to join the Sangha Sasana. The next challenge came from the Buddha was Bhikkhu Devadatta. Bhikkhu Devadatta wanted the benefits that the Buddha received from the layman. Devadatta approached the Buddha and requested him to hand over the management of the bhikkhus. The Buddha refused him, for which Devadatta felt angry and wanted to kill the Buddha. So he sent acres to kill the Buddha. Then they saw the Buddha, the personality of the Buddha, and they listened to his preaching. After they attained Sotapanna and left. But they would not meet Bhikkhu Devadatta. Then his next step was to kill the Buddha by throwing a large rock on the Buddha when he calmly walking along the road. The rock fell, and a small piece of rock hit the sacred toes of the Buddha, and it began to bleed. This act caused a great sin called Anantariya sin, a sin due to hitting which caused blood out of the Buddha's body. Devadatta did not stop at this. Devadatta tried to get the help of an elephant, Nalagiri, by giving much intoxicants. Then the elephant came racing forward, coming towards the Buddha, the elephant. The Buddha directed a kind thought to the elephant. The elephant fell down near the Buddha, worshipped him, and walked away. Thus, that attempt of Devadatta too was not successful. Another instance. Sopaka, also a low caste boy, who was ill-treated by his stepfather. He took him to the cemetery where all dead were kept and tied small Sopaka to a dead body. He thinking that the fox would eat him up together with the dead body. Then Lord Buddha looks through his divine eye, saw Sopaka's plight. The Buddha, with the gleaming light, was hurt by Sopaka, and immediately Sopaka was in the Jetavana temple. The Buddha bathed him, gave him food and clothes, and he was ordained as a monk. If challenges come to you, no matter how you are, and who you are, or what you are, it is common to all in the world. It is the way how person faces challenges that one can win over such a situation. Otherwise, you may lose yourself in such situation. We must cultivate strength to face challenges by learning about the life of the Buddha. So children, today we learned so many things. And do the following questions. Question number 1. Name the challenges that Lord Buddha faced. Second question. Write a small description of how to face challenges. The end. Thank you.